In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix MacBook Air not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if your MacBook Air appears to be charging, but the screen's black, it's likely stuck in a deep sleep state or a firmware glitch. So even if the screen is black, the MacBook might technically be on but frozen. So what you want to do is unplug all your accessories like USB hubs, monitors, etc. Then press and hold the power button for exactly 10 seconds. Then release the button, wait 5 seconds, and then press it once normally to turn it back on, and then wait at least 30 seconds for the logo to appear. Now, what you can also do is reset the hardware manager, but this depends on if you have an older Intel Mac or a new Apple Silicon one. So, if you have an Apple Silicon, you don't actually have to do a manual SMC reset. Ensure the MacBook is plugged into power, shut the lid for 30 seconds, and then open the lid and hold the power button for 10 seconds. For Intel MacBooks, shut down the Mac and on the left side of the keyboard, press and hold Shift plus Control plus Option. While holding these, press and hold the power button. Hold all 4 keys for 10 seconds and then release, and then try to start normally, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.